Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this 2022 Honda Passport. It's going to apply from 2019 all the way to 2023. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to pop the hood open. We're going to use our hood release over here. I'll go to the front. Alright, so the hood release will be towards the middle, and we're going to have to push it out to the right, just like this. And then we're going to open up the hood, get our hood prop. I'm going to put it in the service position. There's two positions for Hondas typically. So you have your top typical one, and then your bottom one that actually makes the hood open up a lot wider. So that gives us a lot more headroom. So now what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the driver's side, and you're going to have three clips. One here, and then another one right there. So we'll pop those open. And then there are two tabs that stick into the box. So we have to be careful with that. So we're going to pull outward, but also up. Just like that. So these are where the tabs will go into, these two holes. So once we get that out, we can get our filter out. It's dirty, so let's go ahead and put our new one in. Okay, so the filter will only go in one way. So I'm not sure what direction we're in right now. It may or may not go in. So as you can see, it won't go in easily. So we're going to flip it around. And as you can see, it fits perfectly in place. So we're going to match these two tabs right here into those holes. So now let's just put it down, and then we will wiggle it in place, and you'll know you have it in perfect order when it closes down to the point where you can actually slip the clips in. And that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you to replace the engine air filter on this 2022 Honda Passport. It's going to apply from 2019 all the way to 2023. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.